Alright people, we're going to show you how to change the toilet seat. This is toilet seat is damaged. They left that color. You see this right here? That means it's not good. Alright, so we don't want the new people to come in and deal with that. Alright? So the first thing we're going to do is pull up the cover them. That. And then get your drill and set your drill up. Turn. You see that? That's because the screw head is damaged, so now we gotta use a standard screwdriver. Let's see what we got here. That's all I had a standard screwdriver. I always bring it in. Here's one. Let's see what's gonna happen. You see? It's all because the head was damaged, alright? So let me see that you guys can see. This is how the bottom look. So we're gonna take this off completely and install a new one. Toilet seat off. We're gonna clean that before we unbox the new one and put it on, okay? Let me get a cloth and clean that off. You gotta clean it. Just walk it around. Gotta clean it. Oh, that one got a crack still. Gotta get that one more perfect than that. Alright. Let me go back over here. Let's clean it. Alright, see? That's how it look when it clean. Now we're gonna unbox the new one. It's very simple. This is a cheap one. You open it, but it works. Open this. That's the screw. Drop one in like that. Drop one in over here. Go back under there. Put that in. Get the screw right here. Get my drill. Where's my drill? Right here. Put the screw right here like that. You don't want it to crash straight either. See that? Nice and neat. Make sure you push it so it can level, huh? That one is done. We're gonna take you over there so you can see the next one. Same process again. Same thing. You don't have to hold the bottom because the screw have a pin right there. It's gonna lock. Look, as soon as I start turning it, it's gonna lock. Stay locked. Done. All right. This is what a brand new toilet seat look. And what you do is cover the cover back. Clip. Done. Brand new. Nice and dandy. See that? Brand new. Every time you go in the house, you always put a new brand toilet seat.